Yeah, abantu bebencedo Zolani Makhali, experienced boxers, Lerato Dlamini, one of the good boxers at Johannesburg. So yeah, I'm fully prepared for this fight. So I can say this fight is a winner. So yeah. For now, I can say boxing. My boxing career is going far because if I have a good promoter and and send international standard. So izinto ziyenyuka and I can think boxing is coming back. So yeah. I think maybe I got like 5 years or 3 years as a boxer. So after 3 years or 5 years, I'm gonna take part as a promoter or something. But this is my field. This is the only thing I know, boxing. So like maybe after 3 or 5 years, you become one of the promoters, and I'm looking forward to do that. And not that I'm just staying and doing nothing. I'm doing some research, so that maybe after these 3 or 4 years, I can become one of the promoters like Ayanda, Zima Simguni, and everyone. Yeah, the first thing you run on the boxing rack, to check the guy you're fighting, find what he's up to, what he can do. So yeah, when did I saw some videos. I watched some videos. That's where I found out what I should do, what should I do, and what should I stick on. And the plan come up on his videos. So we were watching his videos very carefully, and then we know the strategy. We know how we box. So that's the thing.
Can you bet? Can you bet your life on it? Can you bet your parents? Can you bet your siblings?
I can bet about my life. Yeah, I put my life on the line.
There you go. Okay, I can go inside.